Hi everyone, welcome to my channel PRV Solution. Today we will discuss the principles of measurement. So, firstly, we will define what is measurement. So, the definition of measurement have many forms. In engineering, it is different, and the general definition of measurement is given in this slide. Actually, what is measurement? Measurement tell us about the property of something. And if any we have any object, we want to measure its length. Means how long is the object, how heavy is object, how much it can hold. So measurement is nothing. It tells about the property of something. Second point is measurement provides us with a means of describing various phenomena in quantitative terms. So different phenomena can be described in terms of quantitatively. So quantitatively is nothing, just a measurement term. Third point is measurement is the process by which one can convert physical parameter to meaningful number. So if I have a glass of water and there is small amount of water is present in it, so what we can say is half the glass is half filled, fully filled, or it has some amount of water. But the meaningful number we must provide to water, quantity of water. If we say that there is 500 ml water is present in the glass, 200 ml water present in the glass, so in this way it will provide meaningful number to the physical parameter. Next point is measurements are always made by using an instrument. This instrument is also known as tool of some kind. Example are rulers, which is used to measure the length. Thermometer is used to measure the temperature. Stopwatch is used to measure for time. Weighing machine is used to measure weight of the objects. So these are examples of measurement system or tools. Measurement gives a number to that property. So measurement tells us about the property of something or an object, how long is object, how heavy is object, or how much volume it can contain. So here property means length, weight and volume, and measurement gives a number to these properties. The results of measurement contains two part: unit of measurement and number. If you want to calculate the distance between two trees, then it may be 2 meters, 4 meters, 8 meters. So 2 is the number and meter is the unit here. Measurement without a unit has no significance. In this slide we will study the definition of measurement in engineering term. So measurement in engineering term is defined as it is the act of or the result of a quantitative comparison between the quantity whose magnitude is unknown and a predefined standard. So we will compare here the quantity which is being measured with the standard. Suppose we want to measure grapes, we will use weighing machine, and we also use some predefined standards like 1 kg weight, half kg weight, 2 kg weight. We will put 1 kg weight in on one side of the weighing machine and the grapes on other side of the machine. When the two quantities are equal, then we say that grapes are as much of weight as predefined standard that is placed on other side. If 1 kg is placed on other side and grapes are the weighing machine is balanced, then we say that grapes are of 1 kg standard. So here we define two another terms, measurand and standard. Measurand, it is the physical parameter or variable to be measured. Standard, a quantity of the same kind chosen as a unit or basis for comparison of quantitative value to measure. Measurand means the quantity which we want to measure. Standard means predefined standard what we will use, but it must be of same kind. Suppose we are measuring the length of a paper and we are using 1 kg weight or 2 kg weight, that is not possible. So quantity to be measured and the standard must be of same kind. Now basic requirements of a measurement. The standard used for comparison purpose must be accurately defined and should be commonly accepted. Examples are weights are commonly accepted standard for weighing machine, 1 kg weight, 500 gram weight, 2 kg weight. And while measuring some liquid, we can use instrument for measuring the liquid in the form of liters. Liter scales are there, how 500 milliliter, 1 liter. Second point, the standard must be of same character as the measurand. The standard, as I explained earlier, length cannot be measured in terms of weight. And the third point is the apparatus used and the method of adopted must be provable, means apparatus must exist for the measurement.